In this video, I will take a deep dive into two of the most exciting vertical handhelds on the market right now, the AYANEO Pocket DMG and the Anbernic RG477V. It is a battle between premium luxury and practical value that every retro gaming fan needs to consider. When you first look at these devices, the vertical form factor immediately brings back memories of the classic Game Boy, but the technology inside is light years ahead of anything from our childhood. The AYANEO Pocket DMG is a stunning piece of hardware that feels like a boutique collectible. It features a gorgeous organic light-emitting diode display that makes colors pop with incredible contrast and deep blacks. On the other hand, the Anbernic RG477V is a much bulkier device designed for comfort during long play sessions. While the AYANEO is sleek and minimalist with its unique touchpad and single analog stick, the Anbernic goes for a more traditional layout with dual Hall effect joysticks. Performance is where these two really drift apart. The AYANEO packs a powerful Snapdragon processor that can handle high-end emulation with ease, while the Anbernic uses a more modest chip perfect for everything up to the 6th generation of consoles. You have to decide if that extra power is worth the significantly higher price tag of the AYANEO. Both devices run on Android, giving you access to a massive library of games and customization options. Whether you want the absolute pinnacle of design or a reliable workhorse for daily gaming, this comparison has you covered. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.